this is, we have more translation here, transformation here. It's multiple transformation of a linear function. Okay, graph fx equal x and gx equal 2x minus 3. Different y-intercept and different slope. So if it's different slope, this is mean it's excellent. We have rotation. So the slope here is 1 and the slope here is 2. 1 and 2 is not opposite numbers, so we don't have reflection. We have rotation. 1 become 2, so it's rotate. And the line, the slope become more or bigger or less. It's become more, so the line become more steep. So it's rotate about the point 0 and 0 and rotate about the point 0 and 0, and the line become more steep. Excellent. And then what happened? Also the y-intercept different. Here the y-intercept is 0, but the y-intercept here is -3. So what will happen if we have different y-intercepts? Excellent. It's a translation. If you speak about translation, you must give me two things. What? Direction and unit. How many units? 3 units. 2 down, because it's negative. So it's negative, so I will go down 3 units. Okay, so graph the line. Look at here. The original one is the blue. The blue here, function of x equal x. So the y-intercept here is 0. So I will start from this point. And the slope is 1. So 1 unit up and 1 unit to the right to get the second point and connect between them to graph the line. What happened to the slope? It multiplied by 2. So I will graph this step. 0, 0 and 2 units up and 1 unit to the right. So I will graph the blue one. From blue to green, blue to green, it's rotate, and around which or about which point? About the point 0 and 0, about 0b. So it's rotation about the point 0 and 0, and the line become what? Here, steeper, right? And then what I will do? I will subtract 3. So multiply fx by 2 to get hx, 2x. This rotates the graph about 0, 0 and makes it parallel to gx. When we draw the gx, the green line will be parallel to the red. And what will happen? It will go down 3 units. Then subtract 3 from hx to get gx equal 2x minus 3. This is translate the graph 3 units down. So what happened to this? It's rotate and then translate. The transformation are rotation and translation. Gx equal x and gx here equal -x plus 2. What will happen? Concentrate. The slope here is -1, but the slope here is 1. Excellent. It's reflection across the y-axis. And then look at the y-intercept. Here this is 0, but the y-intercept become plus 2. So it's translate or shift 2 units up. Excellent. Look at the graph. Multiply by -1, so it's a reflection across y-axis, and then we add 2, so we have translate the graph 2 units up. Understand? Thank you.